We're getting ready to stitch this design in colors that we have selected and then changed them on screen in the color edit area. But there are times where you need to zoom in on a design, and I want to just kind of show you a couple ways to do just that. So right here at the bottom, you do have just that straight zoom right into the middle of the design. So if you just need to go right there, which is great, except if that's not the area you want to zoom in on, you can then come over to the hand or pan, and when you touch that, it's like taking a piece of paper and sliding it across your desk. So now you could maybe come down to maybe the point of the leaf and be able to see that a little closer. Now, why would you want to just see one design? Usually not too much, but you do have the ability, like if you're trying to line up two designs, were they touching, were they close, do they need to come back a little closer together? So I'm going to just come on back out to kind of a whole area. Now I'm kind of offset, I'm not really centered on my hoop. And that's where the little magnifying glass icon comes in, where you can zoom in to the whole hoop, and what it does is kind of centers it and gets you back to where you need to be. The first one is actually where it zooms in on the design. So if your design is a small design, what it does is it brings it up to the whole entire screen as big as it possibly can show you, kind of like a show all, and you then can see it at its biggest size. So that's one way to actually zoom in and zoom out.